Hey guys, welcome to another garden video. As you can see, things have changed, things have grown. Surprise this morning. The potatoes have grown and okay, let me just show you nice and neat. Now I don't need to zoom in to show you how great this is. It's just awesome, even when I zoom out. Yeah. Okay, so today we'll be harvesting. So my mother is harvesting. Something from peas, and that's what we're gonna eat today. I'll show you the recipe afterwards. Yeah. So that is what we're going to feast on today. And that is also what we are feasting on today. There's more. Nago try his umurimo. See, it's happening. Wait. Mulindie. Mukate mulindie ndabwira mukate. Mulindie. Yeah. It's a great day today after all. Okay, nimwe biteka muze kumbwira navyo mifoto. See here. It's everything here now. Great. Woody.